Hey, it's Tegan from Fresh Cat Mushrooms, and today I'm going to show you how to make collagen cookie dough from everyday ingredients that you might find in your pantry. This is a simple no-bake recipe and a fantastic snack to have on hand. So we're going to start by adding half a cup of coconut flour to a bowl. And now into a microwavable bowl, we're going to measure out 1 cup of nut or seed butter. And now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of honey. So we're going to take this and microwave it for 30 seconds. Alternatively, you could heat it on the stove in a small saucepan. So to our coconut flour, we're going to add 4 scoops of collagen powder. And that's equivalent to about 44 grams. And we're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips. We're going to take our softened nut butter honey and add it into our dry ingredients. Now we're going to stir everything up until it's well mixed. Now that it's mixed up, we're going to scoop it out into little balls onto parchment paper and freeze it. Freezing it is going to give it a little bit of a firmer texture, and we're going to store it in the freezer so it has a longer shelf life and you can grab and go anytime you want. And that's it, we're done. This is a no-bake recipe, so you're ready to just eat it. We're gonna put it in the freezer, freeze it, and then store it with a layer of parchment paper or something in between so they don't stick together.